Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if the sentence is correct or wrong in any smartphone or computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say I have one sentence. So in order to find out if this sentence is correct or wrong, what you need to do is just right mouse click on it, just copy it, now just minimize it, now just open any web browser. And in the Google search, just search for one website name, sentencechecker.com, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now here you can see some example how it works. So you can just delete this pre-included sentences. Now paste your sentence, just right mouse click on it and click on paste. Now you can see here at the bottom, check text. Now just click on it. Now you can see here it's showing some indications. So you can see the pink color indication is one spelling errors and the yellow color indicates this one grammar errors. So now just click on this respective errors. So now it will suggest you what you need to put. So you can put depending upon your needs. So the correct sentence might be I'm going. So depending upon your tense, you can select. So I want it to be I'm going. So I'll just select this one. Now it is being corrected. And now similarly, just click on this error indication again. Now you can see here there is a spelling mistake. So you can see here the correct one. Just click on it. Now let us once again click on this check text. You can see no mistakes were found. So finally we have corrected the mistakes present in this respective sentences. So by using this website, you can easily find out if the sentence is correct or wrong in any smartphone or computer very easily. So if you never known about this very useful website, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.